So it's a beautiful sunny day here, but I'm going to show you some indoor seed sowing here in the isolation garden. So I'm going to go outside in a bit, but I just thought I would show you how to lay down some seed. So I have a seed compost here. I don't know if you can see that very well. This is just, it's just a nice fine compost for sowing seeds into. And the seeds that I'm going to sow this morning are a spinach. So this is quite a quick growing vegetable, quite easy to get going. So I have my spinach seeds here. I've already written the label for them, which just tells me the name of the variety and the date that they were planted. And I have one of these long seed trays, so I'm just going to do one of the smaller trays of spinach. So first thing is to fill your tray with compost. So just nice and loose. You don't need to press the compost down too hard. So you can fill it right up to the top of the seed tray like this. And then we have a little trick just for getting the compost a little bit flatter. So I'm using an empty seed tray. Ta-da! Here's one I prepared earlier. And I'm just using that to press down the compost just to make what's called a tilth. So that just makes a nice flat surface for me to place my seeds onto. And then in this one, you can see the results of having a tilth. And in this one, you can see that I have already started placing the spinach seeds. So I'm just doing them about 3 into each tray, into each cell of the tray, sorry. Trying to give them a little bit of space. Doesn't matter how accurate you are really, but it's good to put more than one in just in case one doesn't germinate, but not have them so squashed that they are going to really suffer. And then we can just put a very light sprinkling of compost over the top of those, so we don't need to press that down at all. Just cover them over. There we are. Whoa, a little bit shaky with the one-handedness there. And then we can place it into the watertight tray and just give them a little drink. Now, one thing to remember is if you're watering seedlings, water from the top until they start to show green, then you can water them from the bottom. So you can use this method for just about any seeds, things that you could be laying down now, or your cabbage family, anything you want really. So have a go at some tabletop seed sowing. Okay, enjoy.